Hi everybody! Today we have the Chicago Electric Professional Series 10-inch table saw. Let's see here, it says it has fully shielded radial bearings, overload protection, dust chute, and it comes with a carbide blade. And the reason I got this one was this item right here. I almost bought another brand, but it had a stamped steel top, and this one has an aluminum top. Now, of course, this item here, the stand is sold separately, and they have a very nice stand. You can kind of get a little close to the stand right here. They have a very nice stand, but it was they're out of it. It was $37 for the stand. I'm going to have to go back next week to get the stand. So there it is. Okay, I've unboxed the unit and spread everything out that it comes with. It comes with this nice fence, and I guess it's rolled back, and then it locks, and you push it down so it locks. On the side, there's this thing right here. It has a place for it on the side. It seems to have some sort of a push bar, and I think it locks onto the side somehow. I'll have to look at that in just a minute. A handle, don't know what that's for. Another metal plate. I noticed that here's the handy instructions. It seems to have some sort of a new thrust washer. I don't know what kind of a part that is. And then some pieces over here for the safety mechanism. Let's figure out how to put this thing all together, and I'll show you how to do it once I figure it out. Okay, well, this handle goes into this wheel here. Use like a number 3 Phillips head. And they're very, very tight. Now this handle's really nice. So if you push this thing in, you can adjust the angle. Of course, you have to loosen the locking blade up here. And then if you don't have it in or out, then it raises the blade. So I don't know whether I got that shot, but the blade goes up and down. On the right side, there's a bracket here and a bracket here, and that's for the push stick. Okay, behind the blade, there's this thing back here. I guess they call that a kerf edge. And it's about the same thickness as of the blade. And as the wood's coming through here, it's to keep things from closing in there. And there's an adjustment inside here to where we can make this go up higher or lower, depending upon your needs. Let's take a look at that. On the side, and you can kind of see the adjustment. There's a lever right here. And then you loosen this lever, and this thing goes in and out. It's got some holes. You can even get it completely out of there. So that's pretty much how that works. Now here's the anti-kickback blade. And you can see it's on a central hub and spring loaded. So this springs up, that springs up, and then you can see there's a slot in here, and this is a spring-loaded catch. And then here we can see where it mates. There's a little bit of indentation here and a hole. So the trick is you put this thing on here, but you have to bend the springs back to where it goes in flat. And then you pull this out, and then it snaps on there. Okay, next we have this guard. Let's take a look at it. You can kind of see there's a metal latch here. You lift this thing up. If you push down, it kind of locks, and you have to push up so it's unlocked. And then you can kind of see there's these 2 holes right here. There and there. It's got 2 rollers, this black roller here and this black roller here, that got to go inside there. So we have our blade up. This thing in here, and then we lock it down to where it snaps. Well, I still don't have the table for it, so I just have it temporarily mounted to this workbench over here. I got it clamped down, and next week when they have it in stock, I'll get the regular stand for it. So this fence right here is used for ripping wood. So according to the instructions, you only use this for ripping wood along with the grain. So let's give it a try. I got everything all set up. You can kind of see how these little things kind of interact. And I hate all the safety equipment. I think most people will just get rid of all of it and just forget about it. But let's just give it a try and see how it works. That was pretty good. It seemed to cut. Let's take a look. Okay, I use a scale right here to set the fence at exactly 2 inches. And let's see how it did. See, here we are. We're at 1.935. So it was within 75 mils of being the correct diameter. I guess that's not too bad, or it's not diameter or width. Now, for doing a crosscut, the instructions say never use this thing at all, but to use the miter attachment. So let's give that a try. Well, we seem to have a nice, smooth, clean cut. Nothing to complain about. It cut right through that wood. Oh, well, one minor complaint. I just cut off a piece of this wood. This is the reason I tried to use a router table to cut this thing off. Look how crappy it looks. So I cut off the table saw, and look how nice. Even cut, but one complaint. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see if I get the light where you can see it. You know, I don't know if the camera gets it. See right where my finger is? Can you see that line? There's like a little bit of a line all the way through here. And that line is from these stupid little kickback things. They seem to have scratched the wood. So, I mean, I left all this stupid safety equipment on here. You can kind of see how it works. You can see how it's all kind of linked together and kind of works. I mean, it's okay, I guess. I didn't lose any fingers, I suppose. And that kickback thing, I don't know what you need that for, but boy, I don't know. It might be better off just getting rid of this stuff and using it like a normal saw. But especially if you have anything nice that you don't want to get scratched. But all in all, I'd say this is a pretty nice unit. It cuts right through the wood. The carbide tip saw blade does a great job. It's got the cast aluminum tabletop, which I was looking at Norge at another place that was very similarly priced and had a stamped steel top. So this is quite a bit better. So highly recommend, and I can't wait to get the stand that goes with it.